In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this 3D abstract art image. This is how the scene looks like, and I have used an arrayed set of cubes with a background plane. I'm using cycles with denoise turned on. The cube had two array modifiers. Let's create a new cube. Go to Edit mode, and press Ctrl B as in Bravo to bevel it. Then I applied the modifiers, went to Edit mode, typed A to select all, and P to separate by loose parts. In Object mode, I typed M to put them into a new collection. Then I randomly selected the meshes, and deleted them like this. What will happen if we try to randomly rotate the meshes? This issue occurred because all the mesh's origins are still set to the 3D cursor. Let's make the scene more interesting by randomizing the faces of the background plane. In Edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide the mesh. The meshes are not using any materials. I'll show you the sky texture and the composite node settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.